Very much, Saleh, for inviting me here. It's always a pleasure to be with Tare social members. और मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी में बात करूंगी. एंड दिस इज अ सब्जेक्ट जो मैंने पहले तारे सोशल में किया है. एंड इट हैज़ बीन रिसीव्ड क्वाइट वेल. तो मुझे आशा है कि आप लोगों को भी ये जो एक्टिविटीज हैं, ब्रेन जिम एक्टिविटीज हैं, वो अच्छे लगेंगे. एंड वी विल डू इट टुगेदर. सो आई will demonstrate the activities, and you can do it. And you already have videos with you after the session, so you can also refer to the activities later on. Okay, so basically, मैं graceful living. My name is Amruta Lavekar, and मैं graceful living नाम के project में काम करती हूँ. So this graceful living has been started by Tulsi Trust, and it started off, it started off by the geriatric department of geriatric medicine, Jaslok Hospital. So both of them collaborated together and started this project. And this is basically for senior citizens, and we provide medical as well as social services to senior citizens. And I'm sure you must have heard Dr. Prem. So Dr. Prem looks into the medical services part. So he does medical assessments, which also involves looking into the social, emotional, psychological aspects of an older adult. And I look into the social services. So one of the things which we do, which we mainly do, is intellectual companionship. तो जो लोग अकेले रहते हैं या फिर जो लोगों को अकेलापन महसूस होता है, तो we conduct activities with them after a psychosocial assessment is done. Then we conduct various brain stimulation activities in which they are interested in, trying to cultivate hobbies. तो अलग अलग activities हम लोग उसमें करते हैं. अलग अलग हम लोग support group meetings लेते हैं. वी हैव वेबिनार्स. तो ऐसे ग्रेसफुल लिविंग के अलग अलग हमारे प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं. सो वी विल नाउ गेट बैक टू अ टॉपिक विच इज ब्रेन जिम. ओके, तो सबको प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाई दे रहा है. सो बेसिकली ये जो है हम लोग. ओके. Okay, so basically we emphasize a lot on exercising our bodies. Okay, so we exercise our bodies by doing yoga. Then we maybe do some people might do some running, some people might do some jogging. So we emphasize a lot on that. We focus on that. कि हम लोगों को बॉडीज को एक्सरसाइज करना है, हम लोगों को फिट रहना है. सो वी think a lot about that, and we do those activities accordingly. But in gerontology is the holistic study of aging. Okay, so the purpose of gerontology is basically to improve the quality of life of older adults. So older adults is the technically correct name for older people, which is now being used all over the world. सो उसमें कहा गया है कि सिर्फ हमारे बॉडी को एक्सरसाइज करने के साथ साथ वी ऑल्सो हैव टू एक्सरसाइज आवर ब्रेन्स. ओके, आवर माइंड्स एंड ब्रेन्स, वी हैव टू एक्सरसाइज देम. और अगर हम लोग वो नहीं करते हैं तो डिजीजेस लाइक अल्जाइमर्स, डिमेंशिया, जिसके बारे में काफी अभी डर पैदा हो गया है, सो दोज डिजीजेस कैन डेवलप. Okay, so we also have to understand कि our brain is made up of nerve cells. Okay, और ये nerve cells जो है, if they have to be strengthened, then they need to have some connections between them. ओके, तो हम लोगों को ये भी मालूम है कि हमारे ब्रेन में राइट हेमिस्फीयर होता है और लेफ्ट हेमिस्फीयर होता है. तो उनको भी कनेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. और अगर हम लोग एक्सरसाइज जब भी करते हैं, तभी हम लोग ये राइट साइड भी हमारा एक्सरसाइज होता है और लेफ्ट साइड भी हमारा ब्रेन का एक्सरसाइज होता है. तो consciously what we are saying is there has to be a meaningful mental effort. जैसे हम लोग फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज के लिए हम लोग टाइम निकालते हैं, in a similar way we need to allocate some time for mental activities also. So there has to be a meaningful mental effort. We have to put in some effort, we have to consciously do it. अगर हम लोग वो कॉन्शियसली नहीं करते हैं तो हमारे ब्रेन में जो ब्रेन सेल्स होते हैं, सो दे जनरली, रिसर्च सेज दैट दे जनरली live for around 21 days, and if they do not get activated then they tend to die off. ओके और हम लोग ये भी देखते हैं कि जो लोगों में अल्जाइमर्स जैसी बीमारियां होती हैं उनका जो ब्रेन है वो छोटा हो जाता है, इट श्रिंक्स. व्हाई डज इट श्रिंक? बिकॉज द नर्व सेल्स टेंड टू डाई. Okay, so if we do not want our brain cells to die, and if we want to keep our brains and minds active, then we need to make some meaningful mental effort. Consciously, we have to indulge in some activity which is stimulating. Okay, which is stimulating as in विच इज स्टिमुलेटिंग, मतलब जो हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा हमारे कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकल के हम लोगों को कोई एक्टिविटी करनी होगी, जो हम लोग हमेशा करते आ रहे हैं, वॉट एवर वी हैव बीन डूइंग over a long period of time. If we do that, then this stimulation in the brain which is there does not take place. We need to get out of our comfort zone and do something which is new and do something which is challenging. Okay, and I'm sure तारे सोशल में आप लोग बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज करते हैं which are new and challenging. So that is why exercising our brains is extremely important. The second way in which it helps is it improves memory. Okay, so if we exercise our brains, then memory decline which takes place, which might take place. It does not take place in everyone. So this memory decline which might take place will also not happen. Okay, so that is the second reason why we should be exercising our brains. And the third thing which is important is it postpones cognitive decline. ओके, सो जो हम लोग जो बोलते हैं कि जो हमारे विचारों में द डिक्रीज और द स्लोनेस इन थिंकिंग which might develop in old age, so that also can get postponed, that also can get delayed, and we can live healthily, mentally as well as physically. So these are the three reasons why we need to do exercises mentally on a regular basis. So what is meant by doing exercises mentally? Ek to brain gym, I will definitely tell you about that because this session is about that. But along with that, generally a lot of people do Sudoku, then you have these quizzes. So constantly we see on Tare Social that you constantly have these activities. So there is a purpose behind that. There is a purpose behind doing these activities, that you are able to keep your minds and bodies healthy. Okay, so that is the basic purpose. Okay, so the point here is that consciously हम लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत टाइम हमारे मेंटल एक्टिविटीज के लिए भी एलोकेट करना चाहिए. So we have to do it consciously and with awareness. That is the most important thing, awareness and doing it consciously. Okay, so brain gym. Okay, so these are a series of movements. Okay, so these are a series of 26 movements. Okay, so these are very simple movements, and the purpose of these movements is to wake up the brain and stimulate brain function. Okay, so generally, I was listening to a lecture yesterday, and they said that most of the activities which we do, the routine activities we do, we get up, we brush our teeth, maybe go for a bath, then we do the regular activities, maybe go to the bank or maybe attend some sessions. So there was a doctor who was talking. So she was saying that generally we use only 5% of the brain when we are doing routine activities. Okay, so that is why brain gym में उन्होंने ऐसे देखा कि हमारे जो जैसे मैंने कहा कि राइट ब्रेन और हमारा जो लेफ्ट ब्रेन हेमिस्फीयर्स, so there are two hemispheres in the brain, so they need to be connected एंड हमारे जो ब्रेन के नर्व सेल्स हैं उनमें जो नेटवर्क्स होते हैं दैट नीड्स टू बी स्ट्रेंथेंड. सो आवर ब्रेन नीड्स टू बी अवेकन्ड and the brain function needs to be stimulated. So these movements are done with the purpose to wake up the brain and stimulate brain function. And they are also saying, we know that there is a direct relationship between the body and mind, and that needs to be strengthened, and these movements enable us to do that. Okay, so these movements were developed by Paul and Gail Dennison. It was developed in the US in the 1960s, and it was basically done with children who were having learning difficulties. Okay, and they did around 20 years of experiments with children who were having learning difficulties, and after they developed these movements, they felt that these exercises, these movements are not only useful for children, they are useful for any age group, any age group. And that is why we now see that brain gym is practiced in around 80 countries of the world, and it is practiced by people from the different fields. It is practiced by children, it is practiced by school students, it is done by sports persons, it is done by actors, so people, businessmen, it is done by people from different professions. Okay, because it gives us certain benefits, and we will come to the benefits also. So this was developed as a part of educational kinesiology. So kinesiology is generally used in physiotherapy, and it is the science of movement. और ये generally movement जो है वो ओल्ड एज में थोड़ा बहुत कम हो जाता है, तो इसके लिए कॉन्स्टेंटली मूवमेंट करना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आप डॉक्टर्स को भी सुनेंगे तो वो बोलेंगे आपको कि एक ही जगह बैठना इज नॉट वेरी हेल्दी, आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली उठ के समझो थोड़ा बहुत चलना, हाथ के समझो कुछ मूवमेंट्स करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो movement is extremely important in old age, and this was developed as a part of educational kinesiology. Okay, so they said these movements are very simple. Why? Because they developed it seeing the movements which were used by children. Okay, so 5-6-7 सालों में the movements which were used by children to coordinate their hands, eyes, legs. So all these movements were taken into consideration, they were studied, and then this brain gym was developed. Okay, so movements, they are saying, is very important, and movement will also help in learning. Movement will also help in concentration, and that is very important. Okay, concentration, or maybe say alertness. Okay, so how can it help older adults? Okay, so these are the advantages which are there. The first, this is, it improves mobility and coordination. It improves memory and concentration, as we have been seeing. The third is learning new skills faster and easier. And we have always been saying that there is no age for learning. Okay, if we learn new skills, if we learn something new, that is extremely healthy for our minds and brains. So we need to learn something new constantly. We have to get out of our comfort zones. Okay, I have always given this example of this lady called Bokul Chatterjee, who gave her first year BA exam at the age of 87. Okay, so she was in Kolkata. Okay, and her story came in Outlook magazine, which was a cover story. So she was giving her first year BA exam because she was not able to complete her education in her earlier years. So she said that I want to do my BA, and I want to die only after getting a BA certificate. So this lady was not able to hear properly. This lady was not able to see properly. She had arthritis. Her hands used to tremble. But she said, I want to complete my BA. I want to learn. Okay, so learning new skills is extremely important. Okay, in old age also. Okay. The fourth thing is it regulates moods and reduces depression. और आजकल के समय में हम लोग देखते हैं कि कोविड के समय में because we are stuck at home, तो बहुत सारे mood swings लोगों के हो रहे हैं. Okay, so a lot many people are feeling quite sad, not understanding what to do. Okay, so a lot of these negative emotions which are there, these can be reduced if we do brain gym exercises. The fourth, this is enhanced cognition. Cognition is what? Cognition is basically our thinking skills. Okay, being more alert, trying to understand what the other person is saying. And if we generally do not do that, क्या होता है कि हमारे पहले के जीवन में, in our earlier years, we generally indulge in a lot of activities. Our lives are quite hectic. We tend to children, we have our work, some people might be doing jobs, whatever. So in earlier years, constantly क्या करना है, इसके साथ कैसे बात करना है, so all these things are there, and that is why constantly our brain is active. और वो ओल्ड एज में थोड़ा बहुत कम हो जाता है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड टू डू सम एक्टिविटीज कॉन्शियसली. Okay, so these brain gym activities also help in improving our thinking skills, in grasping what the other person is saying, understanding what the other person is saying, and then reacting according to that. Okay, so cognition is also enhanced. The next important advantage is it improves energy levels. जो कुछ भी हम लोगों को करना है, if we don't feel like doing it, तो हम लोग वो ज्यादा स्फूर्ति से, ज्यादा enthusiastically हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So it improves our energy levels and it also improves our overall well-being and health. So these are the various advantages which are there with regard to brain gym, and we have taken these sessions with various senior citizens associations. So we have this association at Kandivali where along with their usual yoga sessions, they have included brain gym also. So they have been doing it for around now 5-6 months, and they have said that they are able to see these advantages also. Okay, so we will now move on to the movements, the exercises. Are we ready? Yeah. Okay, so the demonstration is also there, and I will show you how these exercises, movements are done. So सबसे पहला जो है, that is called brain button. Okay, so the main thing is, as is written here, the main purpose of brain buttons is to switch on the entire brain before doing anything, not just before a lesson begins, before doing anything. Okay, so to switch on the brain, to make us more alert. Okay, so that is the basic purpose of brain buttons. So हम लोगों को इसमें क्या करना है, हम लोगों को ये जो 3 fingers है, we have to, हमारे जो यहाँ पे इसको क्लैविकुलर मसल्स बोलते हैं, अंडर द कॉलर बोन. ओके, ये जो पॉइंटेड मसल्स है इनको क्लैविकुलर मसल्स बोलते हैं. तो वी हैव टू, यहाँ पे हम लोगों को लाइटली वी हैव टू मसाज. यस यस मैडम, you're doing it rightly. ओके, सो वन हैंड हैज टू गो हियर, क्लैविकुलर मसल्स हम लोगों को यहाँ पे मसाज करना है वेरी लाइटली, and the other hand has to go on the belly. The other hand has to go on the belly, and as is written here, we have to massage this part of the stomach also. So we are massaging the clavicular muscles and we are massaging the belly also. Okay, so both these things are happening at the same time, and we have to do normal breathing while doing this movement. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you're able to see I am, कई कई लोग पूरा भी हाथ ले सकते हैं if this is not comfortable. So either आप पूरा हाथ ले या फिर आप ये तीन फिंगर्स आप ले सकते हैं. So clavicular muscles is basically under the collar bone. अगर हम लोग वो स्लिप डिस्क की वजह से अगर कोई कॉलर पहनते हैं तो उसके नीचे जो पॉइंटेड हमारे बोन्स होते हैं तो उसको हम लोग क्लैविकुलर बोन्स या मसल्स बोलते हैं। और ये दूसरा जो हाथ है वो हम लोगों को हमारे बेली पे हम लोगों को घुमाना है। ओके, सो वी हैव टू डू दिस फॉर 2 minutes. Okay, so this is brain buttons. Okay, is it understood or should we do it again? Is it? I think it is understood, no? I'm not able to see everyone. I'm just able to see one or two people. Okay, so this is brain buttons. So
Can't hear. Speak loudly, please. Loudly.
okay, you are able to hear now.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Now.
so that which means I have to.
No, Amrita, you're very clear.
Okay, better. Yeah, the only thing is, with the holding these earphones in my hand, it becomes difficult to demonstrate the exercises. That's the only problem. Okay, so ये हाथ यहाँ पे रखने हैं and the other hand is on the belly. Okay, so we are massaging both these parts of the body at the same time. Okay, so this is called brain buttons. The purpose of this is to switch on, make us alert and do any work, any activity in a cheerful and a more enthusiastic way. Okay, so that is brain buttons. So we saw the first movement which is there in brain gym. Okay, the second one is called cross crawl. Okay, तो जैसे हम लोगों ने कहा कि this helps in coordinating the right and left brain hemispheres. Okay, and it is useful for reading, writing, listening, and basically concentration and grasping things. और जनरली हम लोग देखते हैं कि ओल्ड एज में ये जो ग्रास्पिंग है, समझना, ये थोड़ा बहुत कम हो सकता है. सभी लोगों में कम होता है ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, बट इसको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हम लोगों को और मेंटेन करने के लिए दिस क्रॉस क्रॉल मूवमेंट विच इज देयर इज बेनिफिशियल. ओके, तो हम लोगों को इसमें क्या करना है, हमारा जो एल्बो है, so that has to be, elbow has to be joined to the knee. Okay, so you can either do this in sitting position or you can either do this in standing position, whatever you think is comfortable. Okay, so what are we doing? This जो है elbow जो है, I am okay, so this is, I try to touch the elbow, the right elbow, the left knee.
Please.
Madam, the right elbow with the left knee and the left elbow with the right knee. ठीक है, क्रॉस करना है, as the name suggests we have to cross. Okay, so this cross, elbow knee cross. Okay, so right elbow cross, left elbow right knee.
How many minutes? How many times?
You can do it for 2 minutes. Generally, all the brain gym exercises are for 2 minutes. If you feel you're not comfortable, do it for a lesser duration of time. But generally 2 minutes. Okay, so cross crawl. Okay.
टच करने का है, टच करना है.
हाँ
Okay.
हाँ मैडम, टच करना है. आपका जो एल्बो है वो हम लोगों को नी को टच करना है. And you can do it in sitting or standing position. So this is cross crawl. Second movement which we saw. The first one which we saw is brain buttons. The second one which we saw is cross crawl. This has been demonstrated by this girl. The third one, which I also use quite frequently, is hookups. Okay, so before, if you're feeling nervous about something, or maybe if you're getting scared, don't know how to respond. So, this movement is very, very important and it helps in calming the mind and improving our concentration. Okay, so this is very important and I use it quite a lot. So hookups, it's called hookups. Okay, so what have they done? They have entangled their hands. Okay, so madam, हम लोगों को ये हाथ सामने रखिए, हाथ ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टल दिखाई दे रहे हैं मेरे हाथ, हाँ ऐसे सामने रखिए। ओके, अभी इसको एंटेंगल कर दीजिए, लॉक कर दीजिए और इसको अपने छाती के तरफ लाइए, टुवर्ड्स आवर चेस्ट। ओके, लाया आपने? ओके, एंड देन आई एम जस्ट आल्सो गोइंग टू शो। ओके, एंड यू हैव टू क्रॉस, यू हैव टू क्रॉस, एंकल्स हैव टू बी क्रॉस, मतलब आपके लेग्स आपको क्रॉस करने हैं। हाँ, वेरी 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 गुड मैडम, या या सो यू हैव टू क्रॉस योर एंकल्स, द लेग्स हैव टू बी क्रॉस, जैसे कृष्ण भगवान जैसे क्रॉस करते हैं बांसुरी बजाते वक्त, सो इन अ सिमिलर वे वी हैव टू क्रॉस आवर लेग्स। ओके, and then we have to breathe in this position evenly for a few minutes, so you can close your eyes and do it. That I have experienced that is much better and it helps you feel very calm. Okay, so this is hookups. हाथ सामने लेने हैं, entangle them, lock your fingers and then take it close to your chest and keep your ankles crossed. Okay, then you have to change your ankles or you have to change cross जो किया है वो leg वो change करना है आपको, but the movement, this movement remains the same. Okay, so this you have to do for 2 minutes and जो cross है that you can do with one leg for 2 minutes and with the other leg for 2 minutes. Okay, so this is hookups, basically for calming our mind and helping us to concentrate on something that we want to concentrate on. Okay, they have demonstrated the exercise. Now this is a movement called names in the air, and this also basically helps in memory as well as concentration. So what do we have to do? We have to write our name in the air. Okay, so my name is Amrita. Similarly, आपका जो first name है that you can write in the air. Okay, so write in the air as in आप side में होके you can write your name in the air. Okay, अभी हमको backward जाना है. Okay, you go backward. Okay, and the next variation is you can try it with your eyes closed. Okay, so as is written out here, you can try it with your eyes closed. So you have to write your name in the air, helps in memory as well as concentration. And they are saying, especially for older adults, that any important thing which you want to remember, you can write that in the air. Say suppose you want to go to the market and you want to buy maybe 4 or 5 things, you write that in the air, it is more likely that you will be able to remember those things better. You want to learn a particular thing, whatever keywords are there, if you write that in the air, you will be able to remember it better. Okay, so names in the air, mainly for memory as well as concentration. और हम लोग ये जो देखते हैं कि वृद्धत्व में, ओल्ड एज में ये जो मेमोरी का इशू होता है, सो रिसर्च हैज सेड दैट मेनली जो है कोई भी चीज हम लोगों को अगर सीखनी है या कोई भी चीज हम लोगों को याद रखनी है तो उसके लिए एक तो है प्रैक्टिस. प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, विदाउट प्रैक्टिस हम लोग देखते हैं कि कोई भी एज में लर्न करना, मेमोराइज करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो मुझे याद रखना है तो उसके लिए मुझे रिपीटिशन करना जरूरी है. तो इफ वी रिपीट वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू रिमेंबर, then we are likely to remember those things. And the third thing, which I said right in the beginning of the session, is awareness. That is very, very important. and being in the present moment. And brain gym exercises or brain gym movements enable us to do that. Being in the present. These movements help you to be in the present, help you to get back into the movement if we are getting distracted time and again. Okay, तो ये हो गया names in the air. Okay, so they have just said that, you know, right and left brain again helps in connection, directionality, orientation. Okay, so it helps in these things. Okay, another important movement which is there is called the lazy 8. तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है, इसके एक दो वेरिएशंस हैं. So what do we have to do? We have to take our thumb in front of us, in front of our eyes. Okay, take our thumb. Okay, and उसके बाद हम लोगों को साइड में, not in front of us, on the side, we have to write the number 8 again in the air. So we have to do it 3 times. So it's like a sleeping 8. That is why they've called it a lazy 8. Okay, so we are writing 8 in the air on the side. Correct? Okay. अभी इसका दूसरा वेरिएशन है which also helps in concentration. और जो लोग योगा में त्राटक एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, they will be familiar with this. So you have to look at the tip of your thumb. Looking at the tip of your thumb, you have to take your thumb sideways and constantly gazing at the tip of your thumb, you have to draw the number 8. Okay, so it is clear. The first variation is you don't have to focus on the tip of your thumb. In the second variation, you focus on the tip of your thumb and sideways you write the number 8. Okay, so this is called lazy 8. Okay, fine. Okay, so thrice you can do it with one hand, thrice you can do it with the other hand. Okay, and they're saying that you can clasp as in hold both fingers, and then you can do it with both your hands also. That is another variation. So there are lots of variations of one particular movement which they have given. Yes, madam, you're doing it right. Yes, yes. Okay, so this is called the lazy 8. One is without concentrating on the tip of your thumb, one is concentrating on the tip of your thumb, and the third one is clasping or holding both hands together. Okay, so this is the lazy 8. तो पहले हम लोगों ने देखा ब्रेन बटन्स, दूसरा हम लोगों ने देखा क्रॉस क्रॉल, तीसरा हम लोगों ने देखा हुकअप्स, चौथा हम लोगों ने देखा नेम्स इन द एयर, और पांचवा हम लोगों ने देखा लेजी 8. Okay, the next movement which is there, that is called Ruba Dub. Okay, very amusing names they have given to most of these movements which are there. Ruba Dub. Okay, so this helps in connecting the right and left brain, and again this movement is very useful in helping us getting our concentration back, and also helping us in whatever is distracting us, so helping us to maybe reduce that to a great extent. Okay, so this is Ruba Dub. Okay, so I don't have this. So इसमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे लिखा है कि you have to pat your head gently. We have to pat our head. Pat our head. थपथपाना है, हमारे सिर को थपथपाना है. And you have to, again, like we did in the very first movement, brain buttons, we have to again massage our tummy. Okay, as is written, we have to rub our tummy while patting your head. Okay, so generally ऐसे लगता है कि दोनों movements बहुत simple हैं, but ये दोनों movements साथ में करना इतना आसान नहीं है. You require some practice for doing it. Okay, so it is called Ruba Dub. I am patting my head gently and I am rubbing my tummy belly at the same time. Okay, then again change. And you will see that with one hand it is more comfortable. हाँ मैडम, थोड़ा सा धीरे से करना है. हमारा जो हेड पैट करना है ना, वो थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे कीजिए. एंड देन दिस मसल, दिस बेली ऑल्सो यू हैव टू मसाज. ओके, okay, so this is Ruba Dub. Okay, इसे distraction definitely कम होता है. Okay, and the last, this which we are going to learn today, I told you it is a series of 26 movements, but we learn 7 today. In the next one, if you are interested, we will do the next 8. आज हम लोग सिर्फ 7 करेंगे. So the last one which we are going to do today is called the alphabet edit. It's called the alphabet edit. And again, this is very useful for clearing our mind of any unwanted things that we are thinking. Okay, so इसमें उन्होंने क्या दिया है कि we have to, when we say L, we have to take our left hand up. When we say R, we have to take our right hand up. और जब भी हम लोग T बोलते हैं तो हमारे दोनों हाथ हम लोगों को ऊपर करने. आ रहा है समझ में? And they have given a series of letters from A to Z, and we have to, जब भी ये L आएगा तो हमको लेफ्ट हैंड करना है, जब भी R आएगा तो हमको राइट हैंड ऊपर करना है, जब भी T आएगा तो हम लोगों को दोनों हाथ ऊपर करने हैं. तो L R T, दूसरा कोई भी लेटर आएगा, so we do not have to do anything, but we have to concentrate and we have to see when L, R and T comes in that series of letters which I am now going to say before you. Okay, so are we ready? Have we understood what is L? L is left hand. What is R? R is right hand. What is T? T is both hands. आया समझ में? Okay, so now we are ready. हाँ, madam, L left hand, R right hand, T both the hands. Concentrate, listen and pay attention. Okay, so L. हाँ, L. अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ. Okay, L. Okay, T. R. R. T. T. L. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. L. R. T. T. R. L. L. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. T. T. L. R. T. R. R. V. W. X. Y. Z. T. L. 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 R. Okay, so these are the exercises which are there, and you can कोई भी ये you can accompany the raising of the hand with any letter which you want. तो ये जब ऐसे जब भी हम लोग exercises, movements, activities जब भी हम लोग करते हैं, so our brain is supposed to think, and that is how it gets activated, and that is how the nerve cells in the brain also get activated, and the connections between the nerve cells also get strengthened. And that is the purpose of doing these brain exercises. Okay, generally हम लोग देखते हैं कि either there is physical exercise or there is mental exercise. And what Paul and Gail Dennison said was that these two need to be clubbed together, and through the help of movements we can exercise the brain also and exercise the body also, and that is why these exercises which are there are extremely beneficial for any age group. ओके तो हम लोग क्विकली हम लोग एक थोड़ा सा रिवीजन कर लेते हैं 5 मिनट में, एंड देन इफ यू वांट मे बी वी कैन, if you have anything to say or suggest or whatever you want to say, we can take that. So quickly we'll just revise whatever we have done right from the beginning, and then you'll also have the video with you later on. Okay, so brain buttons कैसे करना है हम लोगों को? brain buttons ये 3 fingers, clavicular muscles, and this is on the belly, massaging the belly as well as हम लोगों को clavicular muscles, दोनों ये जो movements हैं हम लोगों को साथ में करने हैं. Okay, so generally 2 minutes, ये आप एक हिसाब याद रखिए, 2 minutes. Okay, so this is brain buttons, then you have to change the hand. Okay, purpose, switch on the brain. कोई भी एक्टिविटी करने के पहले आप ट्राई आउट कीजिए, एंड जनरली ये 3 महीने अगर आप करते हैं तो जनरली इसके आपको बेनिफिट्स जो है वो दिखाई दे सकते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज ब्रेन बटन्स. दूसरा हम लोगों ने देखा, द अदर वन वाज क्रॉस क्रॉल. ओके, सो राइट एल्बो, लेफ्ट नी, left elbow, right knee. Okay, so this, the name also suggests cross crawl. Okay, so right elbow, left knee, left elbow, right knee. Okay, exercising both the hemispheres of our brain. So this is cross crawl. दूसरा हम लोगों ने cross crawl देखा. तीसरा हम लोगों ने देखा to calm the mind, improve our concentration, and reduce the distractions that we have. So that is hookups. So what did we do in hookups? हमको hands we took them straight, फिर उनको entangle करके we took them close to our chest, and then we crossed our ankles, as in crossed our legs. Okay, then you have to again cross the other leg, and हम लोगों को ये movement same ही रखनी है. Okay, but hookups please try. You are feeling sad, sometimes we feel scared, fearful, so we can try these movements at that time. Okay, hookups. Names in the air. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों को क्या करना है कि generally it says names in the air. We can write our name in the air, but what they are saying, you can use it for a bigger purpose. As in, if you want to remember anything which is very important, so you can utilize this movement for writing those keywords in the air. So that is the 4th exercise which we saw. The next one is lazy 8. So what are we doing? In lazy 8, we are taking our hands sideways, and with the help of our thumb, we are drawing the number 8. In the next variation, what did we do? We concentrated on the tip of our thumb, and then we drew the number 8. The third, this is we clasped, held both hands together, and then we drew the number 8. Okay, that is lazy 8. The next one is rub-a-dub, where we patted our heads, and at the same time we again rubbed our bellies as we did in the first movement. Okay, so doing both these things at the same time. Then we have to change our hands. Okay, again important for reducing distraction. So this is called rub-a-dub. The next one is alphabet edit. So you can, so when we say L, we have to take our left hand. When we say R,
Loudly, please, loud.
okay, when we say L, we have to take our left hand up. When we say R, we have to take our right hand up. And when we say T, we have to take both our hands up. So this is basically for concentration. So any letter you want, you can say, Baba, S के लिए हम लोगों को हाथ ऊपर करने. Whatever you feel, you can accompany those letters with your hands. Okay, so this is about brain gym exercises. So for the These are 7 exercises, movements which we learned today. So in case you have any yes, so thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope these brain gym movements exercises help you. But please try and do them on a consistent basis. Okay, so whatever exercise you might be doing, you can incorporate that. You can combine that with the usual exercises which you do.
सभी एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए,
हाँ, सभी
सभी
मतलब
करना चाहिए कि कोई एक दो करे एक दो नहीं,
नहीं, एक ये अभी जो 7 सिखाए वो सभी करने चाहिए।
सभी करना है। ओके
हाँ, सभी करना है। हाँ
ओके ओके।
हाँ, आप देखिए 25 मिनट में 20-25 मिनट में हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा।
थैंक यू अमृता।
या
थैंक यू
Thank you
so
much.
much.